So welcome. I'm excited to share with you my penguin play. This class kit will be available as a customer reward through December 3rd. And you can get the details on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. This is adorable. It can be Christmas, but it doesn't have to be. I've done a few birthdays, so but you can always switch it around however you want. But these are photopolymer stamps, and it is a stamp bundle, a punch. It comes with a punch, and you punch out the little guy there. So let's take a look. I will tell you though that the inks that you're going to need if you want to make the class the way I want, you're going to need Memento Tuxedo Black, Fresh Freesia, Crushed Curry, Soft Suede, a lot of inks, a lot of colors in these cards, Soft Seafoam, Misty, Moonlight, and Just Jade. Now hopefully you have some of those. I don't know that you're going to really be able to substitute and get the same effect because it coordinates with the paper. So hopefully you've got some of those so you don't have to buy all of them. All right, so there's 4 and everything is cut for you except the things you cut with your punch. But I will tell you that you do have to fussy cut a few things. Okay, this guy mostly cut out with punch, but I did fussy cut his hat and his scarf. Same over here, punch these guys out, fussy cutted the scarf and the hat and the little goodies there. This guy is mostly all stamped except for this. And then these I did fussy cut, even the penguins, because there isn't a punch for the penguins, but they are so easy to cut out. I don't think you'll have any struggles. So let's look at this one. Happy birthday. Gorgeous, gorgeous little cute darling card. Oh, this reminds me, there are a couple things that I used for that snow. There, I used Light Pool Party Stampin' Blend and the color lifter to kind of blend it in so it looks more like snow. So you will need your Pool Party and a color lifter Stampin' Blend. But this is all going to be on my website, and it's also going to be emailed out to my, no worries there, you'll get a list of everything that you need. So this is the happy birthday card, darling, coolest friend ever. And then we have another birthday card to the coolest friend ever. Happy birthday. Awesome, awesome. And I love these colors, Just Jade, Fresh Freesia, Misty, Moonlight, and Soft Seafoam. And this one is Season's Greetings. It's an adorable little card. May the love of the season warm your home and fill your heart. So this is a Christmas card, or it could be any season really. If you do Hanukkah or any other type of celebration, it could be. It's kind of generic. So is this one. Season's Greetings. Be cool, be chill, be merry. I think this is adorable. Okay, so these are the projects. There'll be a video. I'll do a Facebook Live on my VIP channel, and then I'll post it on the YouTube channel for everyone that isn't in the VIP group. So check out my website, www.carolbcrafts.com, so that you can get this kit as a gift from me to you. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.